What does it take to build a billion-dollar empire? What if I told you that some of the most powerful and wealthiest families in the world are led by women? It's time to shine a light on the incredible women who not only inherited wealth but expanded it, built empires, and continue to shape industries with their influence. In today's video, we're going to explore the top 8 richest women-led families in the world, showcasing the women who lead global dynasties with a fortune that rivals the GDP of entire countries. From retail giants to luxury goods empires, these families are at the pinnacle of wealth and power, yet many of them are relatively unknown outside of their industries. Let's get started. 1. Alice Walton and Family, USA. When you think of massive retail empires, Walmart is likely the first name that comes to mind. But behind this retail giant is the Walton family, with Alice Walton leading the charge. With a staggering estimated net worth of $108.7 billion, Alice Walton is currently the richest woman in the world. As the daughter of Sam Walton, the founder of Walmart, Alice inherited a huge stake in the company. But she hasn't just relied on her father's legacy. Alice is known for her dedication to art and philanthropy. She has used her fortune to fund various charitable projects and museums, including the Crystal Bridges Museum of American Art in Bentonville, Arkansas. The Walton family's fortune has continued to grow as Walmart expands globally, and Alice's involvement in various ventures ensures that the family's wealth will remain solid for generations to come. Alice Walton's influence isn't just in the retail industry. She has made significant strides in art, culture, and charity, cementing her place as one of the wealthiest and most influential women-led dynasties in history. 2. Françoise Bettencourt-Meyers and Family, France. Next up, we have Françoise Bettencourt-Meyers, a woman whose family has been at the helm of L'Oreal, one of the most recognizable names in beauty. Françoise is the granddaughter of Eugene Schuler, the founder of L'Oreal, and she currently holds an estimated net worth of $96.9 billion. Françoise not only inherits her family's fortune, but also plays an active role as the chairwoman of the family's holding company. Under her leadership, L'Oreal has not only grown in size, but has also expanded into new markets and embraced sustainability, ensuring the company's growth for years to come. Her wealth, stemming from L'Oreal's massive success, is diversified into various luxury goods, cosmetics, and investments. Françoise Bettencourt-Meyers' impact goes beyond just her wealth. She has influenced the beauty industry globally and has become an icon in the world of female-led business dynasties. 3. Julia Koch and Family, USA. When David Koch, one of the wealthiest men in the world, passed away in 2019, his family's legacy didn't end. Julia Koch and her children inherited a 42% stake in Koch Industries, one of the largest privately held companies in the U.S., with a fortune valued at around $81.2 billion. Julia Koch, who is now at the helm of the Koch family fortune, is known for her active involvement in managing their diversified investments. Koch Industries has a massive footprint in energy, chemicals, and manufacturing, and under Julia's leadership, the family has continued to expand its wealth through strategic investments and acquisitions. Julia's wealth is also rooted in philanthropy, as she and her family have donated billions to causes in education, healthcare, and the arts. With Koch Industries continuing to thrive, Julia Koch's role in steering the family business ensures their continued success for future generations. For Jacqueline Mars, USA, what's sweeter than candy? The Mars family empire, of course. Jacqueline Mars, heir to Mars Incorporated, the company behind iconic candy brands like M&M's and Snickers, has a fortune estimated at $42.2 billion. She controls approximately 1/3 of the company, which has expanded its reach beyond candy into pet care, food, and snacks. Jacqueline Mars' wealth has been bolstered by the company's incredible success in the food industry, and her family's influence stretches into various other industries. She has diversified her wealth into investments in real estate, philanthropy, and the arts. With Mars Incorporated continuing to grow globally, Jacqueline and her family's legacy will likely endure for generations, as they remain a driving force in the consumer goods sector. 5. Savitri Jindal and Family, India. In the world of Indian industry, few families are as influential as the Jindals. Savitri Jindal chairs the Jindal Group, a conglomerate with massive interests in steel, power, and infrastructure. The family fortune is valued at around $39.6 billion, making Savitri one of the wealthiest women in India. Under Savitri's leadership, the Jindal Group has expanded significantly, cementing its position as a major player in global industries. From Jindal Steel to power generation, the Jindals have a stake in critical sectors that have driven India's economic growth. Savitri's strong leadership and focus on diversification ensure that her family's wealth will continue to grow and thrive for generations to come. Savitri Jindal's role in shaping the future of her family's business empire also includes investments in various educational, healthcare, and philanthropic causes, securing her legacy as a powerful figure in both business and society. 6. Raffaella Pontadiamant and family, Switzerland. While MSC Cruises is a well-known name in the world of travel, not many realize that it all started with Raffaella Pontadiamant and her husband. Together, they founded MSC, which stands for Mediterranean Shipping Company, now the world's largest shipping line. Raffaella owns 50% of MSC, which has led to a family fortune estimated at around $38.7 billion. The family's wealth is primarily rooted in the shipping and cruise industries, with MSC being recognized as one of the most successful and innovative companies globally. Under Raffaella's leadership, MSC has thrived, becoming a top player in maritime transport, while constantly expanding its cruise fleet. Raffaella has also diversified her family's portfolio with significant investments in real estate and other industries. Her visionary leadership continues to push MSC's dominance in the shipping industry, ensuring the family's lasting influence. With each passing year, Raffaella Pontadiamant and her family solidify their place as one of the world's most powerful dynasties. 7. Miriam Adelson and family, USA. Miriam Adelson inherited a substantial stake in Las Vegas Sands, one of the world's leading casino and resort companies, after the passing of her husband, Sheldon Adelson. With an estimated wealth of $37.0 billion, Miriam has not only preserved the family's fortune, but has also expanded it in significant ways. Under her leadership, Las Vegas Sands continues to be a dominant player in the global gambling industry, with particularly strong operations in Macau and Singapore, where the company has some of the largest and most profitable casinos. Miriam has also expanded her family's influence beyond gambling, with considerable investments in healthcare and philanthropy, particularly supporting medical research and Jewish causes. Her focus on social impact and charitable giving has helped enhance the family's legacy, aligning their business success with meaningful contributions to society. Thanks to Miriam's steadfast leadership, Las Vegas Sands remains a powerhouse in the casino industry, securing the Adelson family's financial dominance for the future, while also promoting values of giving back and healthcare innovation. 8. Abigail Johnson, USA. Finally, we have Abigail Johnson, CEO of Fidelity Investments, one of the world's largest financial services companies. Her family's wealth is estimated at $35.0 billion, and she represents the third generation of her family to lead Fidelity. Under her leadership, Fidelity has expanded its services, managing trillions of dollars in assets for individuals and institutions worldwide. Abigail Johnson's wealth is tied to the ongoing success and growth of Fidelity Investments, which has diversified into various sectors, including wealth management, retirement planning, and fund management. Her role as a leader of such a prominent financial institution ensures that the Johnson family's wealth will continue to grow and evolve for generations, securing their position among the wealthiest families globally. There you have it. These 8 wealthy, women-led families are not only shaping industries, but are also securing multi-generational legacies of wealth, influence, and philanthropy. From L'Oreal and Mars Incorporated to the Jindal Group and MSC Shipping, these families continue to lead the charge in both business and charitable efforts, ensuring their place at the top for decades to come. Their stories prove that wealth is not just about inheritance, but also about vision, resilience, and leadership. These families continue to break barriers, build empires, and invest in the future, shaping a world where the legacy of wealth is passed down through the generations. Which family's story inspired you the most? Drop a comment below and share your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible content about global wealth, business dynasties, and financial empires. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.